Today we're going to read, listen, Beauty and the Beast. Once there was a merchant who had 3 daughters. The first 2 daughters were mean and selfish. The third daughter was named Beauty. She was a sweet and lovely girl. Everyone loved Beauty. One day, the merchant had to go away on a long trip. Before leaving, he asked his daughters what presents they would like to have. Get me lovely clothes and jewels, said the first girl. Get me more clothes and more jewels than my sister, said the second girl. And what do you want, Beauty? Asked her father. Only a lovely rose, said Beauty. The merchant went away on his trip. Poor merchant. He had a lot of bad luck. During the journey, he lost all his money. He could not buy any present for his daughters. He was on his way home when suddenly there was a terrible storm. Thunder crashed and lightning flashed. It began to rain. The merchant got completely wet. Just then he saw a big palace. He went into the palace as he wanted to save himself from the rain. There was nobody in the palace. The whole palace was empty. The merchant called and called, but there was no answer. There was a table in a room. It had lots of good, freshly cooked food. The merchant sat down and ate the food. There were silk clothes. The merchant wore the clothes. There was a soft bed, and the merchant went to sleep on the bed. Next day, the storm was over. The sun was shining again. The merchant wanted to go home. The palace was still empty. There was nobody there at all. The merchant went out into the garden. He saw a lovely red rose there. He thought of Beauty. He plucked the red rose. He wanted to give it to Beauty. All of a sudden, he heard a treble voice saying, You ate my food, you wore my clothes, you slept in my bed. Now you have dared to steal my rose. I will kill you. A fearsome beast came out of the palace. The merchant begged the beast not to kill him, saying that the rose was for his youngest daughter, Beauty. All right, said the beast, I will let you go. But you must send Beauty to me. She must come and stay with me. The merchant agreed. He was very sad. He went home. Beauty asked her father why he was so sad. Her father told her about the beast and what he had said. Beauty smiled at her father. Don't worry, I will go and stay with the beast, she said. Beauty went to stay with the beast. At first, she was afraid of the beast, but he was so good and kind that Beauty came to like him very much. Beauty was very happy. Many days passed. One night, Beauty had a dream. She dreamed that her father was sick. She wanted to go home. When the beast came to know this, he was very sad. Beauty, will you marry me? Asked the beast. No, beast, I must go home, said Beauty. Come back soon, said the beast. Otherwise, I will die. Beauty went home. She was so happy to see everyone at home that she forgot all about the beast. One day, she dreamed that the beast was very sick. Beauty was very sad. She quickly went back to the beast's palace. The beast was lying in the garden. He was dying. Beast, dear beast, don't die. I will marry you, said Beauty. As soon as Beauty said these words, a wonderful thing happened. The beast turned into a handsome prince. A wicked witch put a spell on me, he said, and turned me into a beast. She said that I would become a prince again if a lovely girl agreed to marry me. Then the prince and Beauty got married and lived happily ever after. Thank you.